Today I'm so excited to show all my creativity that I have made in just previous 6 months. Welcome to my YouTube channel Anoshia Embroidery Studio. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon button. Today's video is very special. In this video, I'm showing you all the creativity I have created in 6 months. I'm sharing my 6 months embroidery journey with all of you. Every design you see here is just made with love, patience, and creativity. From very simple patterns to all over embroidery designs, it's showing my hard work and patience. In these 6 months, I have learned new stitches, experiments with new colors, and improved my finishing techniques. Some designs were easy, but some were difficult and challenging, but all the designs taught me something new. Embroidery is not just thread and fabric for me, but it is creativity, peace, and happiness. When I look at my older designs, I see how much I have grown. Practice and consistency makes a huge difference. Every mistake helped me to become better. This is the just beginning of my embroidery journey. Embroidery is my way of turning imagination into reality, creating so magical. Some designs are so simple and easy, but some designs are detailed. But all the designs are very close to my heart, especially this feather stitch embroidery. I'm really very thankful to all of you for supporting my hard work and appreciating my designs. Your love motivates me to create more beautiful designs. Let me know which design is your favorite one in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more videos.